Look, we have it right there.
And this one, all these slime queens.
This is all Ryan Super 90 McQueen. This is the newest one that we just got yesterday. It's super awesome. This is, of course, the Super Radiator Springs. We got the drag racing, and we got the
Mud.
the mud racing. We got Ryan right here, and then we got the best of the best Super Matt Shrug. Push the button, right? Oh, we got Ryan right there. What are you gonna say to your friends on YouTube, Ryan? Hola, amigos.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, amigos. Subscribe to Ryan's channel. Subscribe. Thumbs up. So we're gonna do a fun video. Stay tuned. Coming up next. Bye-bye. This is Ryan's room. We got Mickey Mouse. We got the fire truck. We got the crane. We got Ryan's collection for Thomas. We got Thomas there. And we got, who's this, Ryan? Oh, we got the Build the Bear Thomas. We got, what's this? What's that? Garbage truck. We got the, what's this?
Queen.
The crane. We got Mega Blocks. Fire truck. This one. Dump truck. We got, who's this, Ryan?
Daniel Tiger.
Daniel the Tiger. We got Peppa Pigs. Let me see Peppa Pig. Look at Ryan hugging Peppa Pig. You like Peppa Pig? And then we got,
Hi Ryan, I am Mickey, and I like playing with you. Hey kids, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Remember, subscribe to Ryan's channel.
Fudge. Whoa, that's the Rolly, Thomas! Whoa, Ryan, take it easy, dude. Whoa! What else do we got here? We got the hot dog.
It doesn't make some noise.
Sing it. Got Ryan singing to hot dog, diggity dog.
And Mickey Mouse.
We got, who's this one?
Blaze.
Got Blaze. I am Blaze. I am the big monster truck. Oh, look. Hot dog, diggity dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot diggity dog.
What happened? Hi friends, subscribe to my channel. Muska, Mickey Mouse. Here is on.
Put it on, dude. Let me take your picture. Thumbs up.
Hello.
Okay, watch again. One. Look at the camera.
Cheese.
Good job, buddy.
Cheese.
I will show you right now. Okay, we got Thomas. You're a big fan of Thomas, right?
I see real.
Ryan wants to do a hide and seek video. What do you guys think? Should we do it?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Stay tuned. The game of today is gonna be hide and seek. I'm gonna hide all your friends, your soft toys. I'm gonna hide them, and then you're gonna look for them. Okay? So we got all Ryan's soft toys right here. We got Blippi. We got Mickey. Who's this, Ryan?
Donald Duck.
That's a Donald Duck. This is from what's the name of the show? Baby Animals, or what is it?
Yes.
And then we got Peppa Pig. We got Elmo. Check over Elmo.
Hi, hello.
And we got Ryan right here. What? You get me, dude.
He
What's Ryan, his train. Look, we got Ryan's train right here. We got the Thomas. Where's Ryan at?
On my train.
Let me see you, Ryan. Ryan. Oh, what's up, Ryan? Say hi to your friends. Oh, see you later. Okay, right, so I'm gonna hide all these toys and you're gonna look for them, okay?
Are you gonna put them right there?
I'm gonna go hide them. Okay?
And you're gonna go over there?
Yes, but make sure you're not gonna see. You're gonna cover your eyes. Close your eyes. And I'm gonna close your eyes and then I'm gonna go hide the soft toys and then you're gonna go look for them, okay?
Where are you gonna put them?
I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna go look for them.
Where are you gonna put them?
I'm gonna put them. Look, I'm gonna put them in just here. I'm gonna put them here in the living room in the kitchen. Okay? All right. I'll be back. I'm gonna see. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't see. Okay. The toys from Ryan. He's gonna have to look for them. Don't look, Ryan. Don't look. Not yet. I'll let you know when. Close your eyes. Close this. Then look, I'll tell you when I'm ready. It's gonna be fun. Don't look. Ryan doesn't know where I'm gonna find him. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Ryan's channel. Don't look, Ryan. Always doing fun videos. Me and Ryan were always playing with toys. Ryan doesn't know. Ryan doesn't know where we're gonna hide them. Yes. Only me. It's gonna be super fun. Almost ready, Ryan. We're almost ready. Yes, for YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. I'll put this one there. One more. Don't look. Don't look. We have it right there. But all right, we got one more. We got the elephant. We're done. We're done. Come on, Ryan. Where is it? Where's it? Find them. Ah, you found one. Good job. Go put it back in the couch. Good job. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, you found another one. Good job. Hey, you're fast, dude. Looked like you were looking at it. Good job, buddy. Wow, you're fast. You got chased. Woo, yeah. Ah, you found the elephant, dude. Good job.
Are you put it right there?
Oh, you found two in a row. Whoa. Oh, good job. What's that?
Cookie Monster!
Oh, Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster. Come on, dude.
Blippi!
Oh, you found Blippi too. Here. Good job.
Oh, Mickey Mouse!
Oh, you found Mickey Mouse. What else, Ryan? Come on, dude. Hurry. Oh, you found Buzz. Hurry, dude. Remember, subscribe to Ryan's channel. Superryan. Oh, you found Chase. Chase is on the case. What else, dude? You still missing?
Mickey Mouse!
Wow, Mickey Mouse! Got Mickey Mouse right here.
Hurry!
Hurry! You're taking long. Oh, got Super Ryan looking for all his soft toys. We got more. We got more. Check where you're sitting where you eat. When you're sitting. When you're eating. Where do you sit? Check. Never know. Maybe something there.
Yes.
Check. And the other chair.
Yeah.
Oh, who's that?
What?
Oh, you found another one, dude. Good job. You're almost done. You're almost done. Look.
Elmo.
Oh, you found Elmo. Whoa, dude. And Bert, you found Bert too? That's Bert. The yellow one's Bert. And Elmo. Good job, Ryan. Man, you're fast. You still got more? You got Elmo. Elmo's missing. Look for Elmo. Look for Elmo. No, it's not over there. It's only here on this side. Let me see.
We got one right here. Ryan doesn't know.
No, nothing. Nothing, Ryan. We're still missing one.
Elmo.
We're still missing one.
Elmo.
No, we're missing two. We're missing Elmo and Mickey.
It's over here.
No, not the garage. It's just here. Check.
Mickey.
Ah, dude, you found it, dude. Now you're missing Elmo only. Elmo. One more, that's it. Not over there, dude. It's only here. Only here in this part. Only here where the TV's at, the living room. You got one more. Ryan has one more, and he's gonna finish the mission. Ryan's mission, looking for his soft toys.
I know where it is. Ryan doesn't know.
You know? You're far away. Nope.
Elmo right here.
No.
Elmo over here.
No. It's over here. It's over here on this side. Check close to the train. Maybe it's inside the train. You never know.
No.
Maybe it's with the 90 McQueen table is at.
No.
Check. You never know.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, good job, Ryan! You found all of them, dude! Throw them like that! Yeah! Good job, Ryan! You found all of them! Yeah! Yeah! Superryan playing hide and seek with the soft toy. We got Blues! We got Daniel the Tiger!
Wait.
We got Chase! Good job, buddy. Superryan. Woo, yeah! Good job, buddy. Who's that? Mickey Mouse. Did you have fun? You wanna do it again?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do it again. Engineer, Ryan. Hey, watch out, dude. Thomas! Ah! Jumper Thomas! We got Thomas! Ah! 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 Oh, Thomas! Thomas! Oh, where's Ryan at?
Over here.
Super Ryan! Watch out, dude! We got Thomas! Ah! I'm gonna get you!
No.
I'm gonna get you! Oh! Oh! No! I got Ryan! I got Ryan right here! What's up, Ryan? I got you! I got you!
Playing the train.
What's up, Ryan? What you doing in my train? The Thomas train! You're not a Thomas train! I am! I'm the fastest engine ever!
Not my Thomas.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Let me see. Departure time! What are you on, dude? Let me take your picture. Thumbs up!